Good morning to all of you. Let's start today's activities. Help me going to English Skills section, page 49. We are still on lesson number 3, and today I want you to be creative. Let's design the new things, okay? So read with me, please. Imagine you are going to set up your own Olympic Games at your school. Use the space below to make a plan for your event with a team of 4 people. In this case, it will be individually, okay? Then, present your plans to at least 2 other teams. You don't have to present it right now, but you have to write it there. Now, remember that we have talked about the Olympic Games before? I even showed you some pictures of the Olympic Games, right? So, try to imagine how that could happen in your school. Now, what type of events would you include? List them here. Now, what jobs do you think will be needed to host the event? And you have to list them here. And because we're talking about jobs, that means if you need a doctor, if you need a teacher, I don't know why, if you need a, did I say doctor already? If you need something that knows a lot about sports, I don't know, it's up to you. So you have to list them there. Now, where will each event be held? Make a plan for the layout by drawing and labeling each event. So think about your school and make a drawing over here. If you think you don't have enough space, you can do it on a separate piece of paper. So here you will draw your school. Imagine this is the school, something like this. You can do it better, okay? And you will assign the different parts of the school and what type of event will happen there. So for example, here we'll have the soccer competition. Here we're going to have, well, we don't have a swimming pool, but let's imagine that I will get a swimming pool over here. So here we're going to have swimming sport, and as you can think, we can do it, okay? Remember, it's time for you to be creative, okay? Now, after you have finished your event plan and heard the plan of 2 other teams, in this case we won't hear another team, but I want you to rethink your idea, okay? What was the strength of your event plan? What do you think is the best part of what you have planned? How could you improve your event if you plan it again? Think about things that you could change to make it better. And last but not least, on this section of your book, you have a writing exercise, okay? Remember, we are still using the same topic, talking about the Olympics, but this time it's about writing. So think about the following. When the Olympics were banned after 1,000 years of competitions, how do you think the people of ancient Greece felt? Write a letter to the emperor telling him how you feel about the ban from the point of view of a person living in Olympia in ancient times. Remember that they were used to be competing for the entire year, except for a month that they had to train, right? So imagine you were one of those people used to fight and to be part of the battles and competing during all year for a lot of years in your life. How would you feel if the Olympics were canceled? So write a letter to the emperor telling your feelings. So you can write, "Dear Emperor," and you can write here what you feel. Ready? Time to work.